This is problem 10.9 from Brigham and Houston Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition, and this one looks overly complicated. We're given a balance sheet and given some costs of capital and then asked to use the firm's market value weights to come up with the weighted average cost of capital. Okay. So we're told that the market value, the firm's total debt, which is short-term debt, long-term debt, is 1167. That's those two numbers there. So 1120 and 47 comes up to 1167. And we typically use balance sheet data for the debt because usually it's fairly close to the market value of the debt, and so while some of that debt might sell at a discount and some might sell at a premium, this is typically the shortcut we use on debt. It's close enough for government work. So we use book values for debt to come up with market values. However, if we take the common equity and calculate the market cap or the market capitalization, that's the number of shares times the share price. The market cap here, which is the market value of their equity, is 576 shares at $4 a share, 2304, which is considerably higher than the book value of the equity. And that's just normal. When you look at your companies when you look at real companies, you'll see that the market value, the market cap is most of the time, 90% of the time for big companies, higher than the book value of the equity. Okay. We still do this the same way. If we take the debt and we take the equity, and this is dollar value, so this plus this is the dollar value of the debt, and the dollar value of the equity is 2304. Okay, so that the market value of the company is capital is 3471. So to get the weights, that would be 1167 over 3471. And 2304 over 3471. There's your weights. The cost of the bonds, we're given up here, the before tax cost of debt is 10%, and at a 40% tax rate, that would be 10% yield to maturity times 1 minus the tax rate, so the after tax cost, Excel doesn't like me using the percent sign in there. So 0.1 times 1 minus 0.4, that'll give us a 6% after-tax cost of debt. The cost of equity, I can calculate using the given numbers. They just tell me it's 14%. So plug that in, and then the weight times the cost. And then add those two numbers together, and there's your weighted average cost of capital. All right. So the answer is 11.31%.